Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PROXY in Filmora 11. Okay, so I'm going to explain what is PROXY and how to use it in Filmora 11. I know that there's many of you don't know about PROXY because if you go to Google or YouTube, you search for PROXY or stuff like that, you'll find many different information about PROXY. Set up your PROXY on your computer and PROXY server, stuff like that. But the PROXY in video editing is totally different. So it is very simple. It is just a smaller files of the original file that you have on your computer. When you import your video or image to the video editor, it will have an option for you to create a PROXY file. And this file will help you edit videos smoother, especially for those of you who are using low-end computer like me, for example. Currently, I'm editing my video on my laptop, so sometimes it is very laggy, especially when I edit 4K video. Okay, so it will help you edit videos smoother. But if you have a super powerful computer, then you don't need to care about PROXY. Okay, so let's go to the software. So I'm going to show you how to create PROXY and how to use it, or at least I will show you the way I use PROXY when editing video. Alright, so this is my computer screen. First up, we can just create a new project. So in order to let Filmora 11 create the PROXY for you automatically, all you need to do is to go to the file, select reference, and then you can select performance. Okay, select performance, and then you can scroll down, and right here you will have the PROXY option. If you check this box, you will let the program to create the PROXY for you automatically. Okay, so normally I will check this box, and also I will check the resolution right here. My computer is good enough for editing 1080p video, meaning that whenever I have a higher resolution video, I need to create PROXY. So I'm going to select this one, 1080p. I will let the program to create PROXY when the video has higher resolution. Okay, so at this option, and down here you can select a folder to save your PROXY file. Okay, so this is my folder, and we can also change it by clicking this button. If I want to change it, I can select other location on my computer. Okay, so I'm going to select folder, and let's click OK. This is the PROXY setup you want to do if you want to let Filmora 11 create the PROXY for you automatically. Okay, and there is another option. If you just import, for example, let's import some footage. I have some footage from the Sony a7 IV. So I'm going to select two of them. Okay, and let's click open. And now you will see the program will automatically create the PROXY for me. So you see the white circle right here. So meaning that it is creating PROXY. By the way, we can select all of them, and then we can right click and select cancel PROXY if you want to stop PROXY creation. And if you want to create PROXY for any file in the media folder, all you need to do is to right click at the file, and then you can select this option, create PROXY file. Okay, just create PROXY file. And you can also select multiple clips here also. For example, I can select all of them, and then I can right click and select create PROXY. Okay, and when the PROXY creation is finished, it will have an icon like this. So this is PROXY file. Very easy, right? And now if you go to the PROXY folder, you will see a smaller file of this original file. For example, I can open this one, and I'm going to open media PROXY. Okay, so this is a folder. Just select it and to open the PROXY. So this is a smaller file of the original file. It is 74 megabyte, and we can just double click at the PROXY file to view it, and I can see that the video quality is almost the same. We cannot even recognize the difference with our eyes. Okay, so if you create the PROXY, there's a chance for you to recover your project if you suddenly delete your original file because you have the PROXY file in the folder on your computer. Okay, so that is enough for today's tutorial. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.